Today is going to be a bit of a different day because we're actually going to a car show for once. And I haven't been to a car show in a long time, and I wanted to bring the Civic, but it's like an hour and a half drive, and I didn't want to die because it gets so hot. It's supposed to be like 95 degrees today, so we took the Fit. What is going on, guys? I hope you guys are having a wonderful day. As I just said, we're going to a car meet, and I'm pretty excited about it. It is a huge Honda meet, and it's at Sebring International Raceway, and I wish I remember what the event was called, so I'll put it on the screen somewhere. But I'm really excited because we also get to meet CZ Mate for the first time in person today, and I've been friends with him for like 5 years, and I've never met him, but he's gonna be there, and that gets me excited. So I've been to like 2 shows at like speedways before that are big sponsored events, and these things are always so confusing to find parking, and I think that's the main show right there, and I hope I'm not like pulling into it because I'm just trying to spectate today, man. Just in the parking lot in this line, I've seen some pretty cool cars already. Sometimes you just happen to find the cool cars when you park in the general parking. Skylines and S14s, I'm in love. This fucking guy got the Ling Long tires. What the hell? There's the boy. Definitely was a lot of fun. Definitely was really hot, and I'm freaking tired from all of that. But you know, seeing all that really makes me want to do a lot more to my Civic now and make it cleaner. So I gotta do some research and figuring some stuff out. I met some cool people, and I finally got to meet CZ Mate, as I said in the beginning of the video, and it was pretty cool. But I think I wasn't in the video here, but I think we're gonna do a little bit of an extra install today because I have a part that just came in. So might as well slap that in, right? So for the second part of this video, we are actually working with AutoOne, and they are another one of those companies that makes LED lighting solutions for everybody. And this time they sent me some reverse lights. Unboxing is simple as ever. Open the box and slide your little foam insert out, and there's your little bulb. Now, AutoOne is another one of those companies that offers a complete plug-and-play solution when it comes to lighting. All you gotta do is disconnect the old light, plug the new one in, and you're good to go. Easy as that, nice and simple. Now, on the Fit here, it's a really easy install, and I'll even show you a little before and after of how it looks. But for this, all you gotta do is pop off the back, untwist the light, and then just replace it, and I'll show you guys how to do that. It's one of those installs that takes 2 seconds to do, and it looks really cool. You got that before and you got that after. It definitely gives the fit that futuristic modern look that this car doesn't have anymore, being a 2008. So we're gonna throw the car on real quick and let's take a look at them. Just looks way more modern now. Those old little yellow lights that were in there really weren't the best for lighting up at night or when you're trying to back up or anything, so these ones will definitely help. Now, as I said before, I did ask them to send me the rally style brake lights and they didn't send me those, so I don't know what happened, if there was a lapse in communication, but I still want those rally style bulbs so they do the blinky thing when you brake. That'd be pretty cool. Ease of use on a headlight product or a taillight product like this is a 10 out of 10. All you gotta is plug it in and you're good to go. There's no coating involved and everything just works. And that is the best feeling in the world. And we do have a discount code for you. All you gotta do is type in TTR Garage. I'll put it on the bottom of the screen right here to show you how it's written, so you guys get a little discount for yourself when you get these products. Overall, today has been a great day. I am absolutely exhausted, and that's good. Being in the sun all day really kills you. So I hope you guys liked this video today. It was definitely very different, and the install was a little bit fun there too. So I'm gonna leave you guys off here. So comment, like, subscribe to that fun stuff. Keep doing you. Stay motivated. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace out and peace.